my name is Julie. Welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn. And this is time for another mystery yarn challenge update. Felt like now it's time for May, and it felt like it snuck up on me. I felt like I was totally unprepared when I got the email who my recipient was going to be. So I barely got April's done. So like literally moments before this video, I got April's done. So I wanted this kind of to be a shawl, but it turned out to be a small blanket. I don't know if you can see all that. I wanted to make the bottom, I should have made the bottom longer if I wanted it to be a shawl, but I didn't make it long enough. So now it's just a little lap blanket. Something to throw over the chair. I didn't put any border. I was going to put a single crochet border, but I decided against it. I think it's just fine as it's on its own. I still at some point would like to make a tutorial on this, but nevertheless, this is April's Mystery Yarn Challenge is done. Okay, I'll get that all in. That's done. So now I gotta get ready now for May's box. I'm not going to show you everything that I'm going to put in the box. I'll show you one. And I think I didn't do, because I felt so off guard and I looked at what I had in my stash. I was going to do maybe the card. Last month I did the postcards and picked a color palette based on my postcards. But I was looking through all them postcards going, I don't have a lot of the colors that were in these postcards, but I do have a lot of one particular color. That is purple. I hope my recipient likes purple. So this is, I'll show you the one yarn that I'm sending. This is the Premier Basics. I initially got this for my temperature blanket, my year-long temperature blanket, but this wasn't really the quite shade. So I wanted the lighter shade for my temperature blanket. So, nevertheless, this is Premier Basics. And it is, this color, I believe, is simply purple. This ball hat is a size 4 worsted weight. It's 359 yards, or 328 meters, 7 ounces, or 200 grams. And it is a 100% acrylic. And other recommended crochet hook size is a size I, or if you knit, it's a 5mm or a size 9. So I'll show you the one. That's the one. There's the others will about to be a surprise. I also thought I would show you what I'm going to put in some for the goodies. And I should mention that my son paid for almost all the goodies. Actually, he paid for almost all the goodies that's going to go into the box this time. We went shopping after I picked him up from work, and he picked up some stuff for around the house, and I picked up some other, mostly we get junk, mostly he gets junk, let's get real, mostly he picks up junk food and stuff. So the one goodie item that he did not pay for is that I'm going to send another one of these pens that I got from Michael's. This one says, "Be brave." So, yeah, this is the only thing he did not pay for. Alright. I hope the person getting a box of Pocky. I like these. These are delicious. Okay, we also got... Now, even though I'm living in Lincoln, Nebraska, I'm originally from Wisconsin. So, when I saw the Wisconsin bar, it's like, yep, I knew I had to get that. So this is a milk chocolate bar with sea salt caramel filling. So I'm assuming this is like best thing from Wisconsin. It's like Dylan. It is Dylan's Chocolates. So You're getting a chocolate bar. I've been I've been sending out apple tea in my last couple boxes now. My son actually bought a bunch of apple tea from Amazon, so I'll get that. And we also picked up a sampler from tea, and this time around we're getting black cherry berry tea. And that is it for the goodies. Other than I have to fill out a card yet. So I hope my recipient enjoys this box, and I look forward to see what she's going to make with this. That is all I have for this video. The Mystery Yarn Challenge is hosted by Armchair Chef. I forgot to mention that at the beginning of this video. And if you did like this content, please give it a like. If you want to see more content like this and to see what I'm going to receive and make out of these Mystery Yarn Challenges, please subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.